What's up guys, Shawn here. So yesterday we did a video on follow me mode, and I realized that I've been doing a lot of videos on what this drone can do and I haven't really flown it. So today what I think we're going to do is we're just going to fly the drone around. So sit back and enjoy this footage. This is one of my favorite places to fly. There's a lot of open areas, a lot of beautiful scenery, beautiful countryside. So yeah, we're just going to take the Parrot Anafi up in the air and we're going to take some really cool shots. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the ride, guys.
Do you remember when we first met? I thought my eyes would fall straight out of my head. Guess we all living proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, don't let it fry. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive. Still here we are, my friend, over 10 years down the road. 3 kids in a big old house, can't weigh a heavy load. Life, gotta give it to you, don't know how you found the time. Making all ends meet while running down that line. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, you gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, don't let it fly. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive. You know you gotta try. Keeping love alive.
1,000 words ain't enough to define a body of, yeah. Caught her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're 1 in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I got. Gotta be hard on me now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Same. You think you the deal, you know nothing.
We can stay
to see the lights fade away into the night. 'Cause you and I live day by day. As time goes by, it's the price we pay. Just close your eyes and we will rise at the speed of the sound. We're leaving ground in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in can stay to see the lights fade away into the night. 'Cause you and I live day by day. As time goes by, it's the price we pay. Just close your eyes and we will rise at the speed of the sound. We're leaving ground in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed. You and I live day by day. As time goes by, it's the price we pay. Just close your eyes and we will rise at the speed of the sound. We're leaving ground in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed, in hyperspeed. You and I live day by day. As time goes by, it's the price we pay. Just close your eyes and we will rise at the speed of the sound. We're
right, guys, so that was a quick flight of the Parrot Anafi around the mansion. I did some just kind of interesting shots. Not anything to write home about, but had a lot of fun flying. Halfway through the flight, I ended up going into sport mode, and sport mode is so much fun, guys. And actually, this is the first time I flew sport mode way up in the sky for the Parrot Anafi. So I had some, you know, just kind of flying around the soccer field behind me, but then I took it up in the air. Overall, it was a pretty good flight. It's super hot and sweaty out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in the air conditioning, but hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more Parrot Anafi videos, and yeah, have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.